How to check someone's location in Google Maps. So, first of all, in order to check someone's location, that person must have sent their location to you on email or any application. So, let me show you by sending my location in Google Maps to someone or to my another email ID. For that, open the Google Maps and then at the top you can see the search here, or you can also tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and select location sharing. And after that, you can choose the person that you want to share the location, or you can also tap on the add at the top right corner of the screen. And you can select the time period for which you want to share the location. Then you can choose the email here and select share button. Once you have done that, as you can see, we have successfully received the location. Let's open it. And now from here, we can successfully see or check someone's location in Google Map. When you expand it, we can easily see the location of that person. So in this way, you can easily see or check someone's location in Google Maps. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.